Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Haul. This fantastic feature lets you easily create and manage personalized collections of products you're interested in, whether for yourself or as gift ideas. It's a simple way to keep track of items you love, making your shopping experience much more organized and enjoyable. You can access it directly from the Amazon app or website, usually found under your account settings or a dedicated haul section. Discovering and adding products to your Amazon haul is straightforward. As you browse Amazon's extensive catalog, simply navigate to any product detail page that catches your eye. You'll typically find a clear Add to Haul button or a similar option near the Add to Cart button. With just one click, that item is saved. You can curate collections with up to 500 items, giving you plenty of space for all your discoveries. Once you've started building your haul, organizing it is a breeze. Your haul dashboard provides a centralized place to view and manage all your saved products. You can create multiple, distinct haul collections, perhaps one for home decor and another for tech gadgets, keeping everything neatly categorized. If your tastes change, simply remove items you no longer desire or update their details with just a few taps, maintaining a perfectly curated list. One of the best features of Amazon Haul is the ability to share your curated collections. You can generate a unique link to your haul and send it to friends or family, making gift suggestions or collaborative shopping incredibly simple. They can browse your selections and even purchase items directly. When you're ready to buy, moving items from your haul to your shopping cart is seamless, streamlining your checkout process for a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.